Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Sacaton Lakeside local and long-distance movers near me. You might have to relocate from your present place to a new location at some point in your life. The process of moving is not an easy task to undertake. In fact, you have to put several factors into perspective to ensure that your relocation is successful. Do you want a successful relocation? Then you should consider inviting 3Movers to help you move. We are near you here in Sacaton. If you do not have a plan in place before you make your move, you might hit several roadblocks along the way. You might lose or damage your items or belongings along the way. We will help you create a moving plan that will consider your moving requirements, schedule, and budget. We are also well equipped to relocate you without any damage to your properties. We have a system that is designed to keep our clients satisfied, happy, and stress-free. Not only are we disciplined and dedicated to our responsibilities, but we are also particular about the safety and security of our clients and their belongings. Our long-distance move is smooth and seamless. We will cover this distance, which is over 50 miles, with ease without burdening or stressing our clients. Sometimes, a long-distance relocation can cut across states, an interstate relocation. However, if your relocation falls within the same state, we term it an intrastate relocation. No matter the distance you are relocating, you can be sure that we've got your back. We make long-distance relocations confidently and with ease because of the excellent relationship we have with the federal and state authorities in charge of relocations. We also have insurance policies that secure our clients' interests during and after the move. This means that you do not have to worry about the safety of your property when we are handling your relocation. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.